Hello and welcome to this session where we will be discussing the Page Speed Insights API and its application in the SEO practice. It's a powerful tool for SEO professionals who want to get actionable insights about the core web vital status of a number of URLs on a website because Google has integrated page speed into its algorithms such that page speed becomes a signifier of user experience. Page speed and all of the associated metrics like time to first byte, time to interactive, first contentful paint, largest contentful paint, and all of them like that. Um, so because it is critical within the Google algorithm, it is also important for an SEO professional to be able to uncover or surface all of the issues from the page speed or core web vitals point of view that could be holding a website back algorithmically. And that's where the page speed insights API comes into play. Ordinarily, Google has a page speed insights tool where you can inspect URLs one by one. But where you need to inspect 1,000 URLs, 100,000 URLs, 1 million URLs, in order to diagnose the reasons why certain sections of the website may have been demoted in rankings, or why certain pages have lost some of the keywords they are ranking for. That's when the API becomes handy. So the Page Speed Insights API analyzes the content of a web page to then generate suggestions about how or what you can do to make that page a lot better. Some of the key metrics in its report are the performance score. So the score ranges from 0 to 100 and indicates the page's overall performance. You have the core web vital metrics. Those are the LCP and FID and CLS metrics. Then we have the opportunities where Google gives you suggestions about what to do to improve your page speed and the estimated impact. And then you have diagnostics about the degree to which your page has complied with best practices from a core web vitals and page speed point of view. So in the practical session, I'm going to be showing you how to access the API and how to use the API to query Google's own database so that you could see your website or a client's website from Google's eyes and begin to understand Google's page speed perception of a multiplicity of URLs. So there is a URL here where you could, if you go to this URL, you will be able to get your own API key from the Google Cloud Console. And so see you in the practical session.